So we've been in contact with regional health authorities and also other transit agencies to determine best practice and ensure that we're keeping our system as clean as possible. On SkyTrain, every SkyTrain car is being cleaned overnight. It's a really thorough clean. It involves a wipe down of all surfaces, sills, seats, windows, ceilings, a full mop, and so SkyTrain customers can have every assurance that those trains are being kept to a very high standard. On the bus system, what we see there is we've done a full spray down of every single bus in the fleet this week, and the same treatment occurred on Cbus as well. That comes in addition to daily cleaning schedules which are in place for both of those modes. Well, the best advice to customers is to have really strong personal hygiene standards. COVID-19 is a person-to-person transmitted virus predominantly, and so ensuring that hands are washed thoroughly and regularly. If you sneeze or cough, do so into a tissue. And ensure that if you are sick, if possible, you stay home from work and avoid public places.